Hi, welcome to the Week 2 Assembly. We've had a great week. I've been up talking to some of the students in Kendall's class, and I've also talked to some of the students in Liz and Lisa's class. So hopefully you can enjoy their conversations through this assembly. There's other little snippets, photos of things that have been happening around the school. Obviously, we're really looking forward to next week, seeing everyone back on site. Look out for the acquaintance night note. There'll be lots of online chances for you to talk with your class teacher and find out about all the learning for this term. Come up and say hello if you're in the school grounds. I look forward to talking to you all. See you around.
Hey guys, welcome back again for the Week 2 Assembly. It'll be really awesome to see you back next week. We've enjoyed having some students back and seeing you online with some of your teachers. Really important over the weekend to get ready for your normal school week, get back into a really good routine, have a good sleep. This year our breaks are a little bit different, so it'll be really important, I've written in the newsletter this week, to have a good breakfast, come to school with healthy snacks, and our long break is earlier in the day, so we want you to be ready for that as well. Have a good rest of your week online, face-to-face, wherever you're doing your learning, and we look forward to having everyone back next week.
Hi everyone, it's great to see you again. I'm out the front of 16J. We're going to take you in shortly and we're going to see all the great work they're doing with writing. Come on in.
16J. We've been working on writing goals, and this is my writing.
Would you like to read it?
Sure. On the weekend, I went in my school. Then I got my COVID vaccine. I played Fortnite on my cousin's Xbox. Then my friends came over for a play. I felt happy.
That's great writing. Can you tell us some of the writing goals that you can pick from here?
Use full stops at end of the sentence.
Excellent. Can you tell us another one?
Put the writing on the line.
Excellent. And what about one last one?
Form the letters correctly.
Excellent. And do you know which writing goal you're going to choose?
Not yet.
You're working on that today. Well, good luck. Are you enjoying school?
Yeah.
Excellent. Do you want to give everyone a wave?
Hi.
You're from 16J, yeah? I've really enjoyed looking at your writing lesson. It's been so exciting. I loved everything you wrote. What were some of your goals, your writing goals?
In the spaces and writing in the line.
You're doing so well. Are you enjoying it in 16J?
Yes.
Excellent. Would you like to give everyone a wave? Hi, I'm talking to class.
NW.
They're really excited and wanted to talk about some of the things they've been enjoying back at school. Boys, tell us about outside. What have you been doing out in the yard?
Playing, making bases.
Excellent. What have you been doing?
Outside?
Oh, do you love playing with your friends?
Yeah.
And what have you been doing?
I like playing with sticks and like digging.
In the Portrush Forest?
Yeah.
And we've had a great time mixing with all the students and seeing what's happening in the play breaks. Now we're going to ask the boys what they're really proud of with some of their schoolwork. So what have you been doing?
Writing stuff.
Excellent. I'm sure your teacher really likes it. I think you said you've been getting dojo points. Is that right? Excellent. And why do you like the dojo points? You said you can change something.
Because we can change the monsters.
Excellent. So I think it's called an avatar. You can actually make yourself look really different. Now the boys also wanted to talk about some of their other learning. What is it that you've been doing in school? Maths, that's right. A lot of work around numbers. And then you were talking about a hand. What have you been doing with hands?
Hands are like you get a picture of a hand and then you go write your name on front and then you put a sort of find things you can go being sharing.
fabulous values. So you've been working on the values and how to maintain friendships.
And the picture, and you can put pictures.
Wow. Can you give everyone a wave out there and say thanks for listening?